Hello all, let's dive into the video. It is a Mumbai-based cosmetics brand founded in 2012 by Vineeta Singh and Kaushik Mukherjee. The brand is known for its high quality, natural ingredients and its unique packaging. Sugar Cosmetics has become a cult favorite among beauty enthusiasts and has been featured in magazines such as Vogue, Elle, and Cosmopolitan. The company clocked 105 crore rupees in net revenue for the year 2019 to 2020. Sugar Cosmetics revenue is approximately 500 crores. Mumbai-based startup has raised an investment of 35.5 crores in the past few years. Sugar Cosmetics products are available in over 40,000 retail stores in India and over 100 countries worldwide. The brand has over 10 million customers. Sugar Cosmetics products are cruelty-free and vegan. The brand has won numerous awards for its innovative products, including the Cosmopolitan Beauty Award for Best Makeup Brand in India. Thank you.